Hey, Amanda.
What?
Why don't you like birds?
Okay, I don't like birds because I just got shit on by a bird last night. And in Paris, I got shit on by a bird at the Eiffel Tower while I was trying to work some game on those cute military police boys.
Oh, I'm not looking. The ones that were looking straight at us.
The ones that were looking right at me, and I was like, where do I go? Trying to be all sexy like. I was like, where do we go? And then the bird shit on me. That's what I get for trying to be cute. And I don't like birds. And I don't like birds because London, that pigeon, tried to attack me while I was eating those strawberries.
Oh, the one that had a stump?
He had a missing foot. The stump was at Buckingham Palace.
Oh, God. That was a stuck dude with a stump.
That's why I don't like birds.
No. Say the real reason why you don't like birds.
Look, okay, anybody in my position would be the same way. One time...
At band camp?
At band camp. Emma was like 6 weeks old, and we're like, hey, we're gonna take our kid to SeaWorld, because every 6-week-old baby wants to go to SeaWorld. So we went, and there was the tank with the dolphins, and they're like, I got it! And I was all excited. I was like, I want to see the dolphins. I want to see the dolphins. And so she had the baby in the stroller, and I was like, oh my gosh, you can buy sardines. So I gave the lady $6, and she gave me a fucking tub of fish, like a little container of fish. And he, being the nice guy he is, doesn't wait for me, turns with the kid, and I'm like walking behind him like, oh, I'm going to go feed some dolphins. I was like, so close to the dolphin tank. And like all of a sudden out of nowhere, you hear, and this like giant fucking seagull, like the hugest seagull ever in existence, attacked me. It jumped on my head and started scratching at my eyes, and it took all my fish, and I'm screaming for dear life. And he's still walking with the kid. Nobody's helping me. And by this point, I mean, I'm sure I'm bleeding and chunks of my hair and everything. And it's just scratching and clawing. And then it took off. And I was like there, like raped and alone. And he turns around and was like, where the fuck are the fish? And I was like, my hair was all freaking, like, you know, like all messed up. And I was bleeding and had like scratches. And he was like, where are the fish? I just paid $6 for those sardines. The fish were gone. The bird ate. So, you know, fuck birds. That's why I don't like birds. Do you know, like, sometimes I go to bed at night and I still hear that? And then, I mean, I'm sure I have scars. Not just the internal ones. So, fuck birds. Fuck that one in Paris. Fuck that pigeon in London. And fuck that seagull in fucking SeaWorld. Fuck them all. Parakeets, I will fucking step on your kid's parakeet. I will.
They're all out to get tenderoni.
They're all out to get me. Fuck those birds. And you know what? Fuck those toucan parrots on that hanging right there, too.
They're not even alive.
I don't care. I don't fucking like them.
It's a ting. Are you going to take it off?
I'm going to take it down. When I sleep, I'm gonna turn it around.
Put it under the bed.
I'm just saying, fuck birds. There's no need for them. What do they do for us? What do they do for us? Chickens, I don't mind because they can't jump on your head and claw your eyes out.
Oh, we eat them. Pretty yummy.
Good.
Right? Oh.
The birds that fly? Fuck them. You see at the Louvre, all those pigeons trying to get me? Every time I walk by, it's like they can smell the fear.
They weren't coming to get you. They're coming to get that guy that had food in his hand.
That guy was a goddamn fool. Flocking to him like they're like nature's chosen pet.
Dude, they were on his hand.
They're nasty ass scavengers. They're disease spreading foul. All birds should fuck birds. All of them. That's why I don't like birds.
Tenderoni and say out.